Have you ever wondered how the super rich are able to avoid paying tax, or sometimes don't even pay any tax? If you are, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you the secret tactics used by the super rich to avoid paying tax. Hey guys, it's Rahim. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button because I talk about personal development, property investment, and how to gain financial freedom. I've been asked so many times, it is so unfair why some people are paying tax and some other people are not paying tax, and mostly the poor people are the people that pay more tax than the rich people. So in this video, I'm going to kind of show you what are the secrets that the rich are using to ensure they pay minimal tax. So the first thing I'd like to share with is what they call offshore account and trust. So what the super rich are very good at is to visualize what they want to achieve, right? They draw a roadmap to achieving what they set themselves to achieve. But by doing that, they're thinking also how to avoid paying or reduce their tax burden. So they open offshore account, offshore bank account and trust structure in a tax-friendly way. The rich open and utilize offshore banking and trust structure in a tax-friendly jurisdiction to minimize their tax liabilities. You've got the Guernseys, you've got Panama, you've got countries like Dubai, Switzerland, Luxembourg. All these countries are tax havens for the super rich. The second thing they do is to invest in tax advantage assets, like property, for example. If you buy properties, you're able to deduct cost that reduces your tax burden, or maybe depreciate in value whilst your property price goes up in value, or maybe invested in principal bonds, for example, or certain real estate investment that offers tax breaks or exemption. Suppose you wanna, the government looking to redevelop a city or a town. Sometimes they give tax advantages to allow people or investors to go in there and start building or reconstructing the whole city or town to attract people in those cities. Next, charitable donations and foundation. Have you ever thought about why the super rich giving back so much money to charity? So one of the reasons is not just being nice, generous to people. Some of the rich people rather put money into foundations and charity organizations that paying that money in tax, because in most cases the government, let's be honest, do not invest their taxes wisely. They either invest it in wars or corrupting other countries or corrupting other nations. So the super rich rather form their own foundation or charity in order for be able to move the money there so that they can get tax deduction on that cost. Next, capital gain strategies. The super rich buy and hold investment asset long term to benefit from lower capital gain compared to short-term gain. You see, if you've got a property, for example, if you sell that property, you get hit by what we call capital gain tax. And capital gain tax sometimes could be really, really hefty, and it will eat into all your profits. So what the rich people do, they buy these assets. Instead of selling the asset, they can lease the asset out, remortgage those assets out, rent it out. They make passive recurring income every single month or every single year instead of selling it and get hit by capital gain tax. Next, I love this one. The way they use this one is absolutely amazing. Retirement account maximization. So what they do, they contribute towards their retirement account. If you live in America, this is something that we call the IRA, which can defer the taxes you pay and allow a tax-free growth. In the UK, you can contribute towards your pension, which is also tax deductible. So the super rich do that in high volumes to ensure they pay, again, minimum tax. Finally, income splitting and trust. This is one of the best strategies to avoid paying tax. They distribute income among family members. So they look at the family members that have the lowest income tax bracket, and then they start paying them some sort of remuneration or wages or salary. Alternatively, they will set up a family trust to reduce overall tax burden. So these are the things the super rich do to pay minimum tax. If you've ever been wondering why that is, these are the things they do to pay minimum tax in order to expedite their financial journey to make them millionaires and decamillionaires and ultimate billionaires. I really hope this video has shining lights to understanding how you could actually save tax for when you become a successful investor. And I look forward to sharing the next content. Thank you.